but smile. I'm above the clouds and feeling great. Let's celebrate. Come on, like it's 1998. 1998. Oh, yeah. I can't believe that this can be real. This is my life, yeah. Right here, right now, today. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. All my friends and me.
So, ang wish ko po kay Mama, sana po matigil na po yung pagiging nagger niya. Hindi, joke lang. No, I wish her happiness, long life, and healthy life also. And more wealth para mas maraming pera, mas masaya siya. Ganun.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama. Sana, lalo ngayong araw, sana napasaya ka namin kahit papano. And sana po, magkaroon ka ng peace, happiness, lalong-lalo yung good health, saka long life.
Wish ko sana you live happier than before. Tapos sana marami pa tayong lugar na mapuntahan kung kayang-kaya mo pa maglakad. Ganun. Sana mag-enjoy ka.
Sana mas lalo pang palakasin ni Lord yung tuhod mo kasi ang dami mong gustong puntahan everyday. And sana matigil na yung pagiging bungera. Ayan, sana mas maging happy ka pa sa mga susunod na araw and sana mas ma-feel mong love ka ng mga tao nasa paligid mo.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama!
Let's celebrate. Come on, like it's 1998. Like it's 1998. 1998. I can't believe that this could be real. This is my life, yeah. Right here, right now, today. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate.
I-describe ko yung asawa ko. Siguro, maingay. Hindi. Mabait, napakabait na asawa. At maraming salamat sa pagpapalaki sa mga anak at bilang asawa. Sa akin, wala na akong masabi. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan, marami pa tayong pupuntahan na gagalaan. Wala na akong masasabi sa araw-araw nating pagsasama. I love you.
This is the start. I feel it taking over, burning like a fire in the dark. Now is the time. I'm calling all.
Happy birthday, Princess! Oh, welcome to Club 60. Welcome to dual citizenship.
Happy birthday, friend. Enjoy your day. I hope you're happy.
Let's celebrate life.
We were made to feel like this. We were made to feel like this. Like we're chasing stars through an open sky. The time is ours, but we're coming alive. We were made to feel like this. Made to feel like this.
So, happy birthday at sana po andito po tayong lahat sa pagdiriwang po na ito sa espesyal na okasyon na ating pong pinakamamahal na si Dr. Flor Rizzo.
We're flying weightless, chasing a horizon, bringing life to
Happy birthday, Tita Baby. May you have more birthdays to come. Thank you po sa pagiging generous nyo and nawa ibalik ng Panginoon 100-fold yung mga blessings na shinare niyo sa akin. Thank you.
Happy birthday, friend!
I am also blessed having a good sister, professional sister, and di ba tawag doon? A very successful one. Today, as you celebrate 60 years, I wish you all the happiness in the world. May your days be filled with love, laughter, and new adventures.